Jake was a typical teenager who spent most of his days scrolling through social media. He would wake up each morning and reach for his phone, checking the latest updates on his favorite platforms. Before he knew it, hours had passed, and he had accomplished nothing of importance. One day, as he was mindlessly scrolling through his feed, he stumbled upon a post about a successful online business owner. The post talked about how the business owner had started with nothing but an idea and had built an empire through hard work and determination. Jake was intrigued by this story, and he started researching more about the business. He learned about the steps the business owner had taken to start their own online business, and he found himself drawn to the idea of creating something of his own. With newfound motivation, Jake began to spend less time on social media and more time researching and planning his own online business. He started to realize that there were more fulfilling ways to spend his time than mindlessly scrolling through social media. As he worked on his business, Jake discovered that he had a talent for marketing and creating content. He poured his heart and soul into his business, working tirelessly to make it successful. The more he worked on his business, the less he found himself interested in social media. Finally, after months of hard work, Jake's online business began to take off. He had attracted a loyal following and was making a good income from his efforts. He had discovered a newfound sense of purpose and fulfillment that he had never experienced before. Looking back on his old habits of scrolling through social media, Jake realized that he had been wasting his time. He had been searching for something to fill the void in his life, and he had found it in the form of his own online business. He had learned that success comes from hard work and determination, and that there are more fulfilling ways to spend your time than scrolling through social media.